Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to resize a video in CapCut PC. There are different ways to resize a video in CapCut. Learn the various methods and choose what works best for you. Let's use this video as an example. To start, drag and drop it into the timeline. Then, select the clip you want to work with. To resize the video using the first method, go to the top right Video Basic tab. Here, you can adjust the scale to resize the video. You can also use the points in the corners of the video preview to resize it. If you want to resize the video to a vertical format, for example, for YouTube Shorts, go to the bottom of the video preview to the right and click on Ratio. Choose the ratio 9:16. Then, resize the video to fit the new ratio. Adjust it as needed until you are satisfied with the result. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.